Hello everyone, welcome to our counting classroom. Today we have a very special adventure. We are going to learn how to count from 1 all the way to 10. Are you ready to have some fun? Let's go. First we have number 1. Look, there is one big red and delicious apple hanging on the tree. Just one apple. Can you say 1? Brilliant. Next is number 2. Look over there. 2 busy little bees are buzzing around the flowers. 1, 2 happy bees. Can you count them with me? 1, 2. Great job. Now here comes number 3. Look at these 3 green frogs jumping on the lily pads. 1, 2, 3. 3 jumping frogs. You are doing so well. 1, 2, 3. What's next? It's number 4. Look at those 4 beautiful balloons floating high in the blue sky. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 colorful balloons. Isn't that wonderful? And here is number 5. 5 shiny golden stars are twinkling in the night sky. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bright stars. You're a superstar. Moving on to number 6. Look at these 6 fluffy puppies playing in the garden. They look so happy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cute puppies. Now we have number 7. Look at the 7 colorful butterflies fluttering over the meadow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beautiful butterflies. Amazing. Next is number 8. Look at these 8 little ducklings swimming in a row behind their mommy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 little ducklings. Splish, splash. We are almost there. Here is number 9. Look at the 9 little red ladybugs crawling on this big green leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ladybugs. And finally, number 10. Look at all these 10 colorful fish swimming in the water. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, 10 fish. You did it. Fantastic counting, everyone. Let's say all the numbers one more time. Nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You are a counting expert now. Thank you for learning with me today. You did an amazing job. We hope you had as much fun as we did. Follow ABC Quest to be our friend and join more adventures. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.